Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to determine the first derivative of composite function. To differentiate the function y equal to 2x plus 3 to the power of 2, we expand the function into y equals to 4x squared plus 12x plus 9 before it is differentiated term by term to get dy dx equals to 8x plus 12. However, what if we want to differentiate the function y equal to 2x plus 3 to the power of 4? 2x plus 3 to the 4 will be too difficult to expand unless we consider the function as a composite function consisting of two simple functions. To differentiate a function like this, we will introduce a simple method known as the chain rule, which is dy dx equals to dy over du times du over dx. In general, the first derivative of a composite function is as follows. If y equal to gu, that means y in terms of u, and u equal to hx, that means u is in terms of x, then differentiating y with respect to x will give f prime x equals to g prime u times h prime x. That is dy dx equal to dy du times du over dx. Let's say we are going to differentiate the function y equals to 2x plus 3 to the power of 4. So we have to define two functions. So let's say just let u equals to 2x plus 3, and then make the function of y. So that means y equals to u power of 4 because u is 2x plus 3. So you get y equal to u to the power of 4. So differentiate u with respect to x, you get du over dx equals to, so differentiate 2x, you get 2, differentiate 3, you get 0 because 3 is a constant. And then differentiate y with respect to u to find dy du. So you get 4, bring in front, u, 4 minus 1, that is 2 power of 3. Substitute back the function of u. For u is 2x plus 3 to the power of 3. And then substitute in the formula to find dy dx. So you get dy dx equals to dy du. So dy du is 4 times 2x plus 3 to the power of 3 times du dx. Du dx is 2. So simplify, get dy dx equals to 8 times 2x plus 3 power of 3. So you get the first derivative of composite function y equals to 2x plus 3 to the power of 4. You get 8 times 2x plus 3 to the power of 3. So to make it more simple, okay, actually u is inside the bracket, 4 is outside the bracket. So to find dy dx, we can differentiate outside the bracket time with differentiate inside the bracket. Y equals to, in bracket, 2x plus 3 to the power of 4. So dy dx equals to, first you have to differentiate outside. Outside is 4, and we bring 4 in front, and then copy back the function inside. Don't bother what is the function inside, just copy. So the power minus 1, you get 4 minus 1, or power of 3, then time with differentiate inside the bracket. You are going to differentiate 2x plus 3, so you get 2. And then simplify, get 8 times 2x plus 3 cubed. Actually, this formula represent this formula. dy du differentiate outside the bracket, du dx is differentiate inside the bracket. Okay, we see the example. To differentiate each of the following with respect to x. We look at the function for a, the function is y equal to 1 over 2x plus 3 power of 3. Okay, before we differentiate, we have to simplify first. Bring 2x plus 3 power of 3 upwards. We get y equals to 2x plus 3 to the power of negative 3. Use law of indices. and then differentiate. Find dy dx equals to, so differentiate outside. Outside is -3, so put -3 in front, and then copy the function inside to x plus 3. So the power minus 1, you get -3 minus 1, -4, and then differentiate inside the bracket. Okay, when you differentiate to x plus 3, you get 2. And then simplify, you get -6 to x plus 3 to the power of -4. Simplify, you get -6 over. Use the law of indices, you get -6 over 2x plus 3 to the power of 4. Okay, for b, y equal to square root 6x square plus 8. So you simplify. Square root means what? Square root means 6x square plus 8 to the power of 1 over 2. Okay, differentiate, find dy over dx equals to, differentiate outside, you get 1 over 2, bring 1 over 2 in front, copy the function inside. 1 over 2 minus 1 is -1 over 2 times, differentiate the function inside. The inside the bracket is 6x square plus 8. So when you differentiate 6x square plus 8, you get 12x. 8 is 0 because 8 is a constant. And then simplify, you get 6x times 6x square plus 8 to the power of -1 over 2. So you can simplify 6x over 6x square plus 8 to the power of 1 over 2, or you get 6x over square root 6x square plus. Okay, for c, the function is 3x square minus 4x to the power of 7. So find dy dx equals to, so same method, differentiate outside, put 7 in front, copy the function inside, 3x square minus 4x, and then 7 minus with 1, you get 6 to the power minus 1, and then times with differentiate inside the bracket, you get 6x minus 4. So the answer is 7. Simplify, times 6x minus 4 times 3x square minus 4x to the power of 6. Or you can expand, you get 42x minus 28 times 3x square minus 4x to the power of 6. Example D, y equals to 1 over 3 in bracket 6 minus 3x to the power of 6. We find dy dx equals to, so 6 be in front, the power outside the bracket, times 1 over 3. Okay, copy inside the bracket 6 minus 3x to the power of 6 minus 1, so you get 5, times with, differentiate inside the bracket, you get -3. So simplify, you get -6 times 6 minus 3x to the power of 5. Okay, for E, y equal to 1 minus x square in bracket power of 3. So we are going to find dy dx equals to, same also, differentiate outside, 3 bring in front, copy inside the bracket 1 minus x square, the power 3 minus 1, you get 2, times with, okay, differentiate inside 1, when you differentiate, you get 0, negative x, when you differentiate, you get -1, negative x square, you get -2x. To simplify, you get 3 times -1 minus 2x times with 1 minus x square, you get -3 minus 6x times 1 minus x square. I think we'll meet again in another video. Thanks for watching.